Hello and welcome back. So now that you have set up your Newtbeans to support the Symfony framework, I'll show you how easy it is to create a Symfony project. If you haven't opened Newtbeans, or if it's not still open, then open it now and we create a new project. You can either go File, New Project, or click on this New Project icon here. We select PHP and PHP application and click Next. We choose a folder for the project, like I have all my projects in this little subfolder under the user dep, and bookings is the one we created manually in the other session, and this one we just call bookings.local, so we have the domain for the virtual host in there, and click open. And we should also give that project a better name. And I don't want to have my Newtbeans metadata in the project folder, so I click this button. But some things with source control don't work too well if you click that, so I don't care about that. Then we click Next. It's a local website running on the local web server. The project URL is the URL to the virtual host we create for it. So in this case, bookings.local, and then click Next. And yes, we want to use Symfony PHP framework. The warning here says that the default secret word is still unique secret, so we just change that to something else to get rid of the warning. And you see here it also allows us to select to generate the front-end application in one go, so we keep that checked and click Finish. And then Newtbeans creates our Symfony project, and it also does the cool thing of opening the important files for us. The one we need to change first is the database YAML file. The DSN looks pretty okay except for the database name. It uses as default the product name as database name, so we just change this one to bookings since we created that before, and the user and password is in my case Symfony. And we save, and that's it. The project is basically set up now. The cool thing with Newtbeans is if you right click on the project root, you have the Symfony submenu where you can have the clear cache, which you will use very often, is there, very handy, and also all the commands that the Symfony command can run are listed here, and you can select them. You don't have to type anything, so it's really very comfortable. Okay, so that's setting up the Newtbeans IDE for Symfony, and now all you have to do is set up the virtual host. I can show you that on my system here. I already have the one from the previous setup. I just changed that one. Change the root folder to the new projects local web folder, and apply that. Restart the server. Oh, it's already restarted, sorry. Go back to the browser and bookings.local, and there is my project. Okay, that's all for the moment. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.